We had to tie the turn signal up out of the way because the exhaust was hitting it. They're ugly anyway, so it's just a temporary fix. Got the good old peace pipe, 70cc aerosol T6 and ring kit. And it's got a Keihin 21mm carb off of a 4-stroke pit bike, like a little dirt bike. And the intake adapter is actually the exhaust flange off a 2-stroke pipe, but it works